One nice thing about this foot massager is it is big enough for up to size 12 feet. But not only that, it goes extra deep compared to other foot massagers I've used. The nice thing about that is the air bags or whatever is putting pressure on your feet tend to go around your foot a lot more. So if you really like that compression on your feet, this does a really good job with that. This has a time mode so you can set how long you want it to go for. The kneading intensity, it basically just increases the speed. You've got low, medium, high. And then with the air intensity, it's the same low, medium, high. And then you can turn heat on or off. This was sent to me so I could make this video and test it out. I've used a lot of foot massagers. The main thing I like about this is it is bigger and deeper than others that I've used. So if you have bigger feet, this works really well. The other unique thing about this is it has balls underneath for your toes, your arch, and your heel. A lot of foot massagers only have it for your heel and your arch, or your toe and your arch, but this has it for all three. For your toe, it kind of has these rotating balls, and then for your arch and your heel, it has these balls that kind of go back and forth and up and down. So really kind of like your thumb pushing in or kneading, kind of like a deep tissue massage. Some of the things to be aware of that make this different from other foot massagers that I've tried. The first thing to be aware of is the massager on your toes. Now for me personally, it goes kind of on the balls of my feet and not quite the toes. I think that's going to kind of depend on your foot size. If you have smaller feet and you can push it back further, it might go on your toes. Just something to be aware of. Another thing with this is when you put your foot in, it kind of angles your foot up. So your heels are going to be kind of the lower part of this. I don't really know if that's good or bad. Just something I noticed. As far as the air intensity goes, when I have it on the lowest setting, I almost don't really notice it, but on the highest setting, it is a lot of pressure. In fact, it's so much pressure, it almost starts hurting your foot. So it does have a really big range. I always have this on medium. That's perfect for me. It works really well. And again, that's kind of going to depend on your foot size. I've really enjoyed having this. It kind of makes me addicted to sitting at my desk and having this on, because it really does feel so good once you get those settings that you like. It does a really great job massaging your feet. It's nice that it's larger, so it does work for bigger feet. Really nice foot massager.